Sheet number 5, he said choose the correct answer. Question A, he said negative 7 all to power 2. And here we have natural number. He said belongs, doesn't belongs, subset, and here not subset. What's the meaning of negative 7 all to power 2? Negative 7 all to power 2 here meaning, here we have negative 7 times negative 7. Repeated 2 times. Here we have negative 7 times negative 7. We said before negative times negative it will be positive. And here 7 times 7 equals 49. So here negative 7 to power 2 result it will be 49. And here we have natural number. What's the meaning of natural number? Here we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. So here we have 49. If we counting 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, we can reach to what? To 49. So here 49 belongs to natural number. 49 here is elements, so we'll say belongs. 49 belongs to natural number. Question B, he said the additive inverse of negative 3 all to power 2 is space. Here we have chosen here 9, 3, negative 3, and negative 9. What's the meaning of negative 3 all to power 2? Meaning negative 3 here all to power 2, we can say negative 3 times negative 3. Negative 3 times negative 3 equals negative here times negative equals positive, and 3 times 3 equals 9. So here we write above it 9. Negative 3 to power 2 meaning here 9, but here he said the additive inverse meaning change the sign here. Sign here is positive 9, so result the additive inverse here it will be negative 9. Chosen here it will be negative 9. Question C, he said negative 9 all to power 2, meaning here also negative 9 times negative 9. Negative 9 times negative 9, negative times negative equals positive, and 9 times 9 equals 81. Where is positive 81 here? It will be third, 81. Question D, he said the absolute value of negative 4 equals x. Then x equals what? We said before absolute value change the sign must be positive. The sign or the result here must be positive. So x here must be positive. Negative 4, the absolute value of negative 4 equals 4. So x here equals 4. Question E, he said if negative 7 plus n equals negative 7, here we have negative 7, and also on the other side we have negative 7. Negative 7 plus space equals negative 7. Negative 7 plus what equals negative 7 without any change, so it will be additive identity, and here it will be 0. Negative 7 plus 0 equals negative 7, then n equals negative 7 here. Question 2, he said find the value of each of the following. He said 5 to power 4 times 5 to power 3. Here we have 5 to power 4 and here 5 to power 3. Here we have 5 to power 4 times 5 to power 3. 5 to power 4 meaning here 5 times 5 times 5 times 5, 4 times. And here we have 5 to power 3. Here we say 5 times 5 times 5. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 5 to power 4 times 5 to power 3. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And here also we have 1, 2, 3. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here we can say 5 to power 7. Question number B, he said 9 to power 9 divided 9 to power 7. Here we can make fraction. Here 9 to power 9 meaning 9 how many times? 9 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here we have times. And also here he said 9 to power 7. We can say 9 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And here we have times. Now we can make simplest form, or we can make cancel. We can cancel here. Cancel together. Here we can cancel 9 together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remainder here we have 9 and 9. 9 times 9 meaning here 9 to power 2. Question number C. He said 8 to power 3 times 8 times 8 to power 2. 8 to power 3, 8 here alone, so we can say 8 to power 1. Here we said before 5 to power 4 times 5 to power 3 equals 5 to power 7. Here we can make addition. We can say 4 plus 3 equals 7. Here also we can say 3 plus 1 plus 2. So result equals 3 plus 1 equals 4. 4 plus 2 equals 6. So it will be 8 to power 6. Question D. He said negative 7 all to power 8. And here negative 7 all to power 6. Like question number B. Here we have 9 to power 9. And here 9 to power 7. Here we have divided. We can say 9 minus 7 equals 2. Here also we have negative 7 to power 8 and here negative 7 to power 6. We can write negative 7 to power. We can say 8 here divided, so it will be 8 minus 6 equals here negative 7. 8 minus 6 equals 2. What's the meaning of negative 7 to power 2? Meaning here negative 7 times negative 7. So result equals 49. Simplify each of the following. Question A, he said 3 to power 5 times 3 to power 4 over 3 to power 7. Question A. He said 3 to power 5 times 3 to power 4 over 3 to power 7. Here we have 3 to power 5 times 3 to power 4 over 3 to power 7. What we can say? Here times, so we can say 5 plus 4. Here we have 5 plus 4 over 3 to power 7. 3 to power 5 plus 4 equals 9. And here is 3 to power 7. We can make simplify. We can say 3 to power 9 minus 7. Here 9, here divided. So we can say 9 minus 7 equals 2. So final result equals 3 to power 2 equals 9. Question B. He said 6 to power 3 times 6 to power 5 over 6 to power 7 times 6. Be careful. Here 6 alone, so we can say 6 to power 1. Here we write 6. 3 and 5, 3 plus 5, we make addition to the power. Here 3 plus 5 equals 8. Here 3 plus 5 equals 8. And here down 6, 7 plus 1 also it will be 8. So result here equals 6 to power 8 over 6 to power 8. Here similar, here we have fraction, numerator as the denominator, so result it will be 1. Question 4, he said put the suitable relation more than, equals, or less than. Here we have negative 12, and in the other side we have negative 6 all to power 2. What's the meaning of negative 6 all to power 2? Meaning here negative 6 times negative 6. We said before negative times negative equals positive, and here 6 times 6 equals 36. Which is greater here, negative 8 or here we have 36, so sign here it will be less than. Negative 12 less than 36. Number B, he said negative 1 all to power 2, meaning here negative 1 times negative 1 equals 1. And here negative 1 to power 3, meaning here negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1. Here we have negative times negative, it will be positive, so here we will cancel. Negative times negative equals positive. Here we have 1 times 1 times 1. So result here it will be, here we have negative. Remember here negative 1 times 1 times 1 equals negative 1. So result here equals 1. And here we have negative 1, which is greater here. First it will be greater. Question C. Question C, he said 9 to power 3 over 9 to power 3. We said before 9 to power 3 over 9 to power 3. Numerator is here as the denominator. So result it will be 1. Here any number to power 0, result it will be 1. Again, if we say 5 to power 0 equals 1. 8 to power 0 also it will be 1. And here negative 7. And here negative 10 to power 0 equals 1. And here we have 1, so sign it would be equals. Question D, he said the absolute value of 6, of negative 6, result equals 6. And here plus negative 5 to power 2, here meaning negative 5 times itself. Negative 5 times negative 5 equals 25. 6 plus 25 equals 31. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2 equals 16. And 16 times 2 equals 32. And here we have 31. Here we have 32. Which is greater? 32 is greater. Question 5. He said arrange in a descending order. What's the meaning of descending order? From greatest to the smallest. Here he said from greatest to smallest. First we must find the value. Negative 2 to power 5. Here we have negative 2 to power 5. Meaning negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. Here cancel each two negative together. Cancel, but here we have remainder only 1. And here remainder equals negative. 2 times 2 equals 4. 4 times 2 equals 8. 8 times 2 equals 16. 16 times 2 equals 32. So first here it will be negative 32. Here we said before any number to power 0 equals 1. Here we have 1. Negative 3 to power 4, meaning here negative 3 to power 4, meaning negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3. Cancel here sign. each together, and here also we cancel the sign. 3 times 3 equals 9, and here also 3 times 3 equals 9. So 9 times 9 equals 81. So result here it will be 81. Here we have negative 1 to power 15. 15 here is odd number, so sign it will be with us. Here it will be negative. It will be negative 1. Here meaning negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1. How many times? 15 times. 3 to power 2. What's the meaning of 3 to power 2? Here meaning 3 times 3. 3 times 3 equals 9. He said descending order. What's the meaning of descending order? Descending order from greatest to what? To smallest. Where is the greatest number here? It will be 81. After that, we'll take 9. After that, we'll take 1. And here, where is the greatest here? It will be negative 1. And finally, result, it will be negative 32.